Now I only do this. And my silver jewelry that was dirty and tarnished is now shining like new. For those who have silver pieces at home that are dirty, tarnished, and completely dull, don't worry. Because now I'm going to show you a quick and practical method that anyone can do. First, place all the dirty pieces in a pot with hot water. Then, we're going to add toothpaste. Toothpaste is an ideal product to bring shine and remove surface dirt from the pieces. After mixing well, we're now going to add half a spoon of baking soda. Another powerful cleaner thanks to its alkaline effect. Lastly, we're going to add a few pieces of aluminum foil. This will bring even more shine and make our pieces look like new. Once that's done, just wait 5 minutes and then turn off the heat. Wait for it to cool, and then remove the jewelry. They will come out sparkling from the water. This is a simple, yet incredibly effective method. I'm sure that after this, you will never throw away your silver pieces again.